This is my caramel silk icebox cake. No baking, no hazel, just pure silky layers of caramel and cocoa. You won't believe how easy this is to put together. Trust me, this is going to be your new go-to dessert. Let's head to the kitchen and I'll show you exactly how it's done. And there you have it, the caramel silk icebox cake. After a few hours in the fridge, those biscuits have transformed into a soft cake-like texture that just melts with the cocoa cream. It's light, it's decadent, and nobody will ever guess it took you less than 15 minutes to prep. If you enjoyed this easy no-bake hack, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking and take care.